All right, hello. So this is the recording for assignment 8 of uh, database systems. So this is the data access interface. It just provides the declaration for all the same methods, and it has all the same methods from assignment 6. And then this is the Mongo data adapter, which implements that interface. It works with the MongoDB Atlas database, and so this is the database in MongoDB Atlas, but I'll be following along with it in Compass. So this is the connection string, and I'm just going to connect to it really quick. So this is the project management database. It's got three collections: employee, job class, project. There's no like in assignment 6, I had an assignment table, but for the MongoDB database, I stored the assignment information within the project collection itself. So there's only three collections. And so let's get into the demo. Oh, that's the main window. So this is the main window. We can open the job view and follow along with this. All right, so we go to job class. We can see all the job classes here, the same ones, the 8 that were in assignment 6. So we can do show all job classes, and it'll show all the job classes, as you can see. Then if we want to add a job class, I can say job class ID 9, new job, hourly wage, let's say it's 30. So job class added successfully, rush it. We can see job class 9, new job with an hourly rate of 30 is in the database. So we can update that. So let's update that job class, and we'll call it old job instead of new job. And we'll make the hourly wage $40. Update it. And you can see it updated in the database. So it's job class ID 9 now, and it has old job and hourly rate of 40. So let's go ahead and delete that job class. So delete. Okay, and so that job is no longer in the database. So that's the job classes. We can move on to employees. Um, so for employees, so these are all the employees. If I show employees here, it gets all the employees. They're the same ones from the database. Then we can add an employee if we want. So we can say like ID 119, employee name is my name. You can say the job class ID is 1. So add. We refresh the database. There it is with an ID 119. Name is Rahul. Job class ID is 1. So we can update that. So if we update employee ID 119, we can make the name my first and last name now. I'll make the job class ID 2. So if we update that, so you can see it now has my first and last name, and the job class ID is now 2. So we can go ahead and delete that too. So delete 119. And you can see employee 119 is no longer in the database. So those are the employees. And then we can update projects similarly. So for the projects, it'll it has the project. You can select a project from here. It has the ID, the project name, the leader, the total charge for the project, and then it has uh all the assignments for the project in the table. So let's go ahead and show you. So like 101 with 19.4 hours billed, and the total charge from that employee is 2,037, and 102 with 23.8 hours billed, and the total charge from that employee is 2,302. So if you select a different project, it'll it'll load the project ID, the project name, and then it'll load those assignments for the project. And since it's querying a lot of data, I had it cache the project in memory, so it refreshes it quickly once you've loaded the assignments once. And so we can add a project now. So let's say the project ID is one. Um, Project name can be new project, and the leader can be 101. So if we add this project and refresh the database, you can see it's project ID 1. There's project is new project. The leader is 101. The total charge for the project is 0 because there hasn't been anyone assigned to it yet. So we can, well, first let's edit the project and we'll call it um, like old project instead of new project. And we'll give it the leader of 102. So you can see in the database it changes to old project, the leader is 102. Total charge for the project is still 0 because there's no assignments for it, but we can add an assignment. So let's go ahead and add an assignment. So we can say like employee ID of 104, we build 1 hour to this project. And so now if we look at it, it has an assignment on it. The assignment is 104, 1 hour build. The total charge from the employee is automatically calculated based on the employee. So this employee is, I put 104, job ID of 4. So 4 is a systems analyst with an hourly rate of 96.75. So you can see that the total charge for the project is 96.75. And if we want, we could update like how many hours, if that employee bills more hours to this project, if they work some more. So we can change the amount of hours they bill to 2. And you can see it changes here. So 104 now has 2 hours billed with 193.5 in wages, and the total charge for the project is updated. And then we can delete the project also. So if you have a project selected here and you click delete project, it'll prompt you if you're sure you want to delete this project. You say yes, then it refreshes it. So that project is no longer visible, and that project is also removed from the database. So yeah, so that's all of the functionality for assignment 8 as create, read, update, and delete for all the collections. And yep, thank you.